Okay, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to create a smooth dissolve kind of transition. So it's super easy. Just grab your videos. You can press here, uh, import, click on import or command plus I, and then here we have two videos. Very nice videos here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to effects here and just change here or search for cross dissolve. So this is the effect I want to show you, this one here, and if I drag this, it's gonna say insufficient media. The transition will contain repeated frames, so nothing's going to happen. Well, but is this something we don't want? So make sure you actually, let's remove this cross, and instead of doing that, instead of adding the effect right away, hold option to just zoom in a little bit here. And instead of doing that, we can actually crop both of the videos just a little bit, so their videos are blended now, or at least the cross dissolve will blend because there's less videos, so there's like media or scenes to choose from because there's some deleted scenes, and it's going to use data to create this cross dissolve effect. I can click on this, I can add here maybe to 0.1, click on OK now, and now as you can see it works just fine. Now it's just, as you can see, it's playing without any problem. Also go to sequence settings here, if there's any problem with our video. Alright, so that's pretty cool, and now we have our cross dissolve. Alright, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care. I mean, it was playing before as well, but sometimes there's some bug or something. But anyways, looks pretty good. I hope this short tutorial saves you time and you learn something. Thanks for watching and take care.